Here's part 2. This storm is just now severe thunderstorm warned, or has been. Said winds between 60 and 70 miles per hour is possible.
The station will broadcast severe weather alarm will
It's starting to rain.
Forward, Wilmington, McLean, Wilford and Marshall counties. Standard broadcast will be prepared to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect for the and surrounding communities. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Illinois, Preston, Roswell, and Livingston. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 o'clock p.m. for the following county: Iroquois County, Illinois. Severe thunderstorm watch number 301 remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. for the following counties: Illinois, Fort, Grenby, Iroquois, Kankakee, LaSalle, McLean, Will, and Woodford.
Oh, here comes the rain.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Iroquois County and East Central Illinois, Northwestern Benton County and Northwest Indiana, Southern Newton County and Northwest Indiana until 4 o'clock p.m. or 5 o'clock p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour.
70 mile per hour winds.
Located near Milford, northeast of Claytonville, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Hey, hang on, let me get this.
Stockland, Dunnington, Freeland Park,
There you go.
Powder, Perkins, Milford, Goodland, and Hill Park. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southern LaSalle, southwestern Grenby, and western Livingston counties until 3:15 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Utica to 6 miles east of Streator to Flanagan, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
This one's
severe
ours.
thunderstorms will be near Naplate around 3:05 p.m., Pontiac and Ottawa around 3:10 p.m., Marseilles, Seneca, and Odell around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this line of severe thunderstorms include Ransom, Cornell, Kinsmont, and Verona. Wind gusts were estimated between 60 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour 1 mile north of Rutland in southern LaSalle County at 2:38 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: McLean and Woodford. Heat index values near 100 degrees at times this afternoon. A hot and humid air mass over central Illinois will result in heat index values of 95 to 100.